Everyone. Yeah, definitely forgot my microphone. Good morning, Lex. Thank you, Ann. Good morning. Yoko's Lair, good morning. Philip, good morning. All right, some things to keep in mind today. It's uh, T9G Media. Good morning, good morning. All right, so yeah, this is what I'm watching for the day pretty much. Jorman, good morning, good morning. Hope you're having a good time in Vietnam. There was one more I wanted to pay attention to. All right. John Washington, good morning, good morning. All right. Hope everyone had a good October. Today starts a new month. Good little time for a reset. Show y'all something right real quick. See this right here? It's a new beginning. This candle. We were over here. Let's actually see how that looks on the SPY. Okay, yeah, this right here, this is a new beginning. We kind of reached highs and sold off last month. This next story is unwritten. So yeah, that's how we are right now. Let me slide that up to the top too. Mass 3DRC, good morning. Femi5, good morning. The Blessed Wednesday, good morning. Anybody else have a little bit of trouble getting up today? I definitely did. So yeah. So we'll give the market a little bit to kind of set its footprint. Maybe I'll slow out to like a 15-minute. Hakeem, good morning. Brother Ephanite, good morning. Oh, let's see. Angie B, good morning. Yeah, good morning, family. All right, hold up. Let's see. All right, so let's see if we break any ranges this morning. Daniel Haskell, good morning. Good morning. So let's look at. Aiden Estrada, good morning. Azure, good morning. So Amazon had a good little pop, selling off a little bit right now. Back out to like a 30. Do the same on Apple. See how our volume's looking today. So why is it dropping? I don't know. That's kind of why I'm gonna wait starting the day. So there is definitely incentive for them to drop it, but as of right now, it's still respecting the trend on the 30. So kind of wait a little bit today and see what's going on. It's like actually I feel like they would want Apple to go up, but I don't think I'm gonna play Apple unless we like kind of break out above 224. Raf, good morning. I'm not like looking to rush anything today. Want to kind of see what's going on today. And honestly, if I don't think it's there today, I'm not going to trade. But it is the first day of November, so there's potential, or there's potential, there's hope. But I kind of just want to see what the market's doing. If I think it's going to move, going to pay attention to the volume for things, and you know, kind of go from there. Brother B, good morning. Oh, that was something you were trying to tell me last night. What's up? I think it was like Exxon or something to do with Exxon and what was the other one? All right, cool. Also, appreciate appreciate those of you that are here and aren't commenting as well. Just want to give a little shout out, let you know I hear you. Okay, CVX and XOM. We'll still you got a report on them? Yeah, we'll still take a look at them, but I'm just trying to see what's up. I personally have like a here. I want to kind of run the numbers and see what is expected. Like what would be most profitable for the market makers today? Because I feel like I was looking at Apple and it's like I think the most profitable, like just where things were, was higher than it is. So let me see. So for Apple, well, dang. I think for Apple, I think it would have been best to buy it at 220, but I guess things are different now. And now there are a lot of calls that, so Apple is kind of in its range. Here, I'm gonna slide this up to 225. Thank you, appreciate it. And take a look at Amazon too. Yo, good morning, big dog. For some reason, the link you sent me for videos went away. The number did well. Oh, okay, okay. All right. Wish there was a way to like private message on YouTube. All right, but I'm gonna drop that link, and I guess everybody else who wants to is just gonna benefit from it. So hey, let me find it real quick. Um, but I'm not gonna send the number here. So here, let's see. I think let me double check, make sure that's the right link I clicked on. Call on Spy, Yeah, let's check out SPY. I think I had resistance at 5 or 573. Let me check real quick. Yeah, that's where I have resistance. But yeah, if it ends up going above that, yeah, we could do some running. Let me see if I can even, yeah, because we got resistance here. Let's see if we keep going. Oh, looking great on the 5 though. Let's see if we can find a lower little trend. Yeah, but that's going to be the link I sent you. Just by the way. Yeah, those definitely are sympathy plays, so yeah, that would be the way sympathy plays work. It's too early to really call a trend on them, but I'm gonna just draw that like right there at 573, and we'll see how they're doing. What's going on with PayPal? PayPal moving? PayPal. Oh, what is going on with PayPal? Let's see. Let me slide them up a little bit more. Yeah, that's a little unexpected for me. So they got a downgrade 3 hours ago. That's the only thing I'm seeing right now. All right, so SPY is at that 573 level. All right, so we'll watch the SPY a little bit closer. This might actually be a good level for a put, depending on kind of things, the way things play out today. Oh wait, hold up. I was looking for a trend on the SPY. Might kind of see one. I'm not sure. Let's go to a 10. I'm not sure how good of a trend that is. I don't know. I don't know if that's the best, but we can try to watch that, see how that holds up. Or it might be more something along these lines, but let's go down to a 1, see how we're looking on that too. On a 1 minute, we're consolidating. And go to a 2. All right, so we're pulling back to probably the 13 on the 2. Missed my short on Reddit. Oh, what happened to Reddit? Let's see. Oh, Reddit's down to 113. Oh, I grabbed like a crazy short on that earlier this week. If that ends up playing out, I will not be mad. But yeah, it's only kind of gone up since I grabbed it. Sergeant Boss Hog, good morning. Am I still? Yes, I am. I would, but I think those are gone. Yeah, actually Google looks like it has a chance right now, but yeah, they look done. Those were honestly Google doesn't necessarily look the best either. But yeah, I'm still in them, but I'm just gonna let them like do what they do because they've come down so much. Grabbed a quick Amazon call for today. May have been a mistake. I thought it was gonna break 200 strong first thing. Yeah, we need to see like some strength across everything, but just know that they're incentivized to hold the market to certain levels. So I didn't check on Amazon. Let me take a quick look at where they're kind of incentivized to hold it. Give me a second. All right, so Amazon, a lot of volume at the $200 level already today. Yeah, 200 would be kind of like if they do break above 200, that's nice, but that is going to yeah, 200 is kind of the level where there are a lot of calls, and it being Friday, I don't think they're going to just let it run above that. Azure did the same too, but for next week. So whenever a company, so one thing I'll say, like right now, is like any company that had like good earnings, like Meta. I honestly didn't see the earnings call for Google, but it looked like Google was good. Amazon was for sure good. The market makers, they probably won't hold it back next week, but this week, the week of earnings, when there is an increased amount of options contracts that are purchased for them, they're probably going to hold them back. So, so, all right. You said I was trying to make a quick momentum hype play. Yeah, those are like really quick scalps. Like when I got in the meta yesterday, it popped up and then pulled back. But I don't think Meta, to be honest, I don't think Meta is going to, I think that Meta trade is just going to die for me. And here, let me take a look at Google real quick too. So, where is it at? Yeah, I don't think Google's going to happen either. Let me see what they're at. Oh yeah, I can't even do anything with those anyway. So yeah, I can't even get out of the Meta in Google even if I wanted to. But yeah, Google, it looks like they want to hold it below. It would be in their best interest to hold it below. Might be in their interest to push it below 170. But I don't know, we'll check the volume. Yeah, right now a short on Google could be the move, but we'll watch the market to see if they're just going to let it run or like come back. Outdoor People TSM. You can take a look at them in a second. So they got a little trend to the upside on TSM. On the 1 hour, let's see the 30-minute. I mean, for now on the 15, they're looking good. New to this is swing trading. I would say swing trading is definitely easier to learn. So the more time you give yourself for a trade, it's always going to be better and easier. In my opinion, it's like your profits may not necessarily be as wild if you were trading like day trading, but like if you look at things through a lens of consistency and actually looking at profitability like that, you'll probably be more profitable. All right, so it looks like we're kind of pushing up on some things. Oh, this is a 2-minute chart. Oh, let's see where Root's at. The real MLM, Bizzleman. Good morning, family. All right, let's see. Yeah, they came back down hard. Brother B, I'm gonna need you to make that make sense to me. Yeah, that move doesn't even. Yeah, actually, it looks kind of like almost like a Head and Shoulders, like a really big headed Head and Shoulders. All right, so let's see what's going on with the SPY here. This looks like we might get confirmation right here on the 5-minute. Apple's pushing up. Amazon's still at this level, so it could end up being some. Let's check on Reddit. Reddit's chilling there. Oh, Meta's moving up too. That's cool. Yeah, if those plays do want to wake up, I'm cool with that. Do I trade futures? Not yet. I'm going to get into it eventually, though. All right, so it doesn't look like this level is holding up to the upside, or at least not right away. But we got Meta like in the green now, and we got Google kind of in the green. When you do, let's know about future. Oh yeah, for sure. I'll make it like a whole journey. I'll show all my wins, my losses, everything I'm kind of like learning. Yeah, it'll be fun to kind of like start over again. All right, this one's completely above right here. But it does look like we're getting a little slowing, or we could be like bowing for a reversal. Ooh, I just got a package. But I can't get it till the stream's over. All right, y'all, we're gonna have to end this stream early today. I'm just kidding, by the way. But yeah, let's see. Yeah, Meta's trying to push up. Let that trade come to life if it wants to. Let me check the chart on it. Oh wait, hold on, real quick. So Brother B, this 200 EMA. Here, I'll set an alert there. 200 EMA on the 15. I just want to say we're kind of close to that. If we lose that, it could get worse. All right, let's look at Meta. Look at them on the 30. Yeah, there's kind of a downtrend here on Meta. Like looking at Meta on the 30, let's see. I think I can draw like just a straight on trend line actually. So yeah, that's a pretty clean trend line on Meta. So it's like if we get above that, I would be cool with like going for upside on Meta today. I'll grab a 0 DTE on it, but while we're down here, while we're down here or up here, depending on how you look at it, probably not. Let me check Google too. I think we have some data dropping in about 3 minutes. Let me check real quick. So we have ISM manufacturing pack prices and construction spending in 2 minutes. Nvidia doing well today from yesterday's lows. Let's see. And let me add an alert on this too. Or let me slide that a little bit. Looking at the November 15th 45 put on. Okay. I might have to take a look at that too. See what it's going for. Or what's it going for, Brian? See if that falls in the budget for me. Hold up. Okay, so we got data coming in. Yeah, Nvidia's doing well. That's probably pushing the Qs today. Yeah, we got the Qs up 0.8 and the SPY up 0.82. PCE is dropping today, or PCE is kind of low. Reddit selling off still. Let's take a quick look at that. Hey, Brian, this would be another good one to watch for a break of a neckline. Well, no, never mind. It's a little bit different. But yeah, it has support here, and then there's like the next level of support looks like it's honestly not until like 102, 105. All right, so right here on the SPY, it looks like we're getting like a reversal. Or just consolidation for now. Let's see. All right, so Apple is approaching. Oh no. Now we're watching this level up here. Okay, so Meta got batted back down. SoFi back under 11. Netflix has been flat since yesterday. Dixie, how's that moving today? All right, it's moving up today. We might be getting ready to come down. You said up 42% on the Reddit put? I would like to be up 42% on my Reddit put. Let me see if that's even coming back to life. What? Here, let me see what we're looking like on a higher time frame. This looks like we're about to sell off on this buy. All right, let's see if we can find something. I might let's see. All right, it's selling off. I was wanting to grab a put, but it just kind of took off. Here, let's see. Here, let's check the levels. What was the downside level today? So even if we come back to retest this trend, I could go for, let's see. And let's go back to a 5. All right, I'm gonna grab a 570 put for 47. And I got in right there. And let me turn on VWAP. I'm gonna see if I can get like a VWAP move or something. Yeah, just going for a quick one today. You said what's a good support level for NVIDIA? Let's see. Looks like next kind of area of support's like 134. All right, Apple's trying to head up to resistance up here. Yeah, it's like pushing us up, but the Dixie is telling me where we should come down. Let me. Oh wait, hold up. All right, so I'm staying in a little past where we are because this looks like it's a manipulation move, but I feel like this candle is going to turn into a wick. But I will acknowledge that it's broken through my stop loss. Yeah, Apple's kind of pushing up. Apple is it's at this level of resistance that I drew. We'll see if they let it stay up here. I feel like Apple is part of this upward move. Hope SPY continues up. We'll see. We'll see. It's like right now I got more incentive to the downside, I think, since I grabbed this put. I think this is kind of a fake out move it just made, though. All right, Reddit's at 1260. Yeah, on the 15, we look kind of bullish. But we're on this 30 on Apple, it looks like we're pulling back. I would say, yeah, Apple is kind of what pushed us up. But if this is resistant and it goes back and tests support, this is going to pay. Oh, I guess this isn't an Apple move because of Apple. What's Nvidia doing? I'm out. Reddit stop loss was hitting profit. What's Reddit doing? Okay. Oh, Amazon is moving back up. Let's see. Oh, not like moving up crazy though. It's still like Amazon's kind of formed a downtrend a little bit. Let's see. Let me go to a lower time frame. What's pushing the market up? Because I'm not seeing it. You got Nvidia's not going up. Google's not going up. The SPY is up though. What's pushing up the SPY? Lululemon's not going to push up the SPY like that. Oh, let's see how Microsoft's doing real quick. If Microsoft's recovering. Nah, yeah, it doesn't make sense. He said TSM looks strong. Can anyone find out what's pushing up the SPY? So yeah, we already charted TSM today. Here, let's drop to a 15. Like as of right now, it's right in the 13, but below that, there's also this trend line that I drew on. It may have been a 30-minute chart. You said Nvidia's pushing it? But Nvidia stopped moving and the SPY is still moving. Like, maybe it is Nvidia pushing it. Oh, this is a 30, this is a 30. Yeah, I might have to cut my SPY call because it looks like they're trying to wake that up, I guess. Or SPY put. I mean, Tesla hasn't done too much today. Tesla's been in this range all day. I think it may just because in Nvidia. So I took an L on that. I cut out at about I think 25 on the SPY. All right, what's Apple doing? So Apple, they might let it run. We might end up running today. What is ADMA? Just lost 90 on that put. Hey, the put looked good to me. They're definitely manipulating today. All right, Apple is still rejecting here. So we got Broadcom is trying to move up. All right, so on the SPY, it looks like the move may be to watch the 13 EMA, so we probably will get a pullback on the SPY. Not anything crazy. I feel like we'll probably be above 573 for the rest of the day, but not necessarily the rest of the day, but it looks like we're moving for it. No, wait, actually, hold up. All right, so if Nvidia is what's moving us, I think let's see what's going on here. All right, so Nvidia looks like it may be breaking out a little bit, so the SPY may continue. Next level of resistance on Nvidia is about 137, then about 138.30, then we're looking at 139. We're selling off on the VIX. All right, Apple's coming back down. Or it looks like it may just be a pullback for now. Not financial advice, but the stop loss is your friend. Hey, 100%. Yeah, I wish I would have got out when my stop loss was hit. Would have saved me a little bit. Well, the market's been open for like 45 minutes. So Amazon's riding this trend down. Yeah, Nvidia, this might be a breakout depending on what time frame you look at. So stop losses, when it comes to day trading, stop losses, I feel the same as you, Skittle. But if I'm swing trading, nah, stop losses are usually, if you're swinging, you can move your stop loss out a little bit further. Not I'm not talking like option stop losses. I do it the same way with the price. So I'll do like the stock at a certain level, I make it a little bit further out, and then usually it ends up going well. But yeah, it's a little bit tougher on the day because they move them further out. That's why you'll often see me day trading. I'll try to like watch a little bit. So yeah, on the 5 minute, it looks like let's see how this candle closes, but looks like we got the breakout. Hits the stop and then runs. All too often, that's actually referred to as stop loss hunting. That's something they do. They see, it's like they can see where all the, like you can look at the order flow and see where all the stops are. The market makers will take it and push the price there before either buying it up or selling it off. Amazon looks like it's trying to push up, but it's still in that downtrend. We still got the Dixie running up though. I'm interested to see where the day closes out. So I see 53% green. How are we on the day? When I would hit my stop loss too soon, meant my entry was wrong. So I started waiting to the price. Hey, honestly, that's how it is. It's like, yeah, I've been getting bad entries all week, 100%. Because it's like right here with the SPY, it's like I kind of caught the trend, but I didn't like enter on the trend. I've been doing more breakouts. See how the SPY does at this, I guess like 175 kind of. Guess like 575, 70 kind of area. Oh, there's a gap up to this 577. Yeah, with the way these fake outs are happening, likely it's hard to. I might have to start just. I might just need to stick on the 4 hour. Slow things way down. Yeah, it tells a completely different story. Where's VWAP? That's still a move that we'll likely get at some point today on the SPY. Yeah, we'll still probably move towards VWAP at some point, so. Daniel, you can, but unfortunately you can't set a trailing stop loss, which would automatically stop. Wait, what's going on? You can on Moomoo. Yeah. But most of the time I still don't like I don't love the trailing stop loss. I don't like to do that unless I'm like up like a good amount. Yeah, Robinhood does not. I don't know if that's going to be like one of the updates they do. But yeah, as of right now, they do not. I feel like I saw. Here, I want to try something real quick. Okay, it's not even there yet. I feel like I saw a video, or I saw like a thumbnail for a video on YouTube about somebody having Robinhood Legend, but it's not there yet for, I guess, regular people. All right. Morning, been averaging 50 to 100 scalping the SPY. Hope to continue. Hey, keep it up, family. Yeah, that's definitely good money. That would be huge. I've been wanting to get that capability for a while. Oh yeah, good stuff, Nehemiah. Yeah, SPY's doing a good little run right now. Robinhood is Legend is there. Just got it Tuesday. I guess they're like rolling it out for different people. I'm not the top priority. It's not easy with this market. So I would say, honestly, I would say the more focused you are on one stock, like if we only traded one thing, I feel like we do a lot better. But we're always trying to like look at a lot of different things. Primarily use Moomoo and Weeble, but I also have a Robinhood account. Never use, but pay $5 monthly fee. So the $5 monthly fee, let me see, it does get you some things. Oh, apparently Meta's going off now. Hey, let's see if Meta goes crazy. This if Meta ends up breaking here. Honestly, I feel like either way, if Meta breaks here, then it could run to the upside. If it rejects here, hey, that's a good little short. So this is OKLO right now. Oh, that's a 4 hour. Yeah, so it's kind of already charted. Can try to extend that. Oh, medicals are they're actually they're kind of expensive. Yeah, but it looks like support's around like 203 or 2310. Oh yeah, the SPY is running. Tesla's not doing anything. Let's see. So far, today is my best day ever overall. Hey, on a long-term account, 7.58. Hey, nice. Congrats, Skittles. Yeah, see, we're buying back up now. Here, let's check how we're doing on the month. Yeah, good little gains for the start of the month. So finding a little resistance up here at the 200 EMA on the 15. Oh, I was looking at next week, not today. Was this high over here? All right, so if we get a break of this trend line, I'm gonna get something far out of the money for next week. Yeah, let me also check out the VWAP on this side too. So that'd be a fall to about 568. Is that worth anything? Nah. Oh, Chase, good morning. Roy, good morning. Y'all slipped in here under the radar. All right, so Apple sold off back to VWAP. So we're still in that range on Apple. These were the levels where it would be most profitable to pin the market to. Nvidia, they're still kind of trading below above the level. Let's move to like a 30. Moot 1 SPY. Yeah, SPY is like selling off right now, rejecting from that 200. It hasn't necessarily broke a trend yet though. That's my thing. Yeah, because it's still like the trend had like the steeper trend or the more shallow trend down here. Or I guess you could say it's broken or kind of breaking the steeper trend. Depending on where this candle closes. Yeah, so there might be an opportunity right there for another short. Anyone planning for buy puts? I'm not sure, but it's possible. Okay, for example, I'm going long OKL. So if it loses that, I'll set my... Yeah, that's solid. NVIDIA has to pass 137.65. And Blessed West Beauty looks like it might be the move if we get a break here. Go back to the 10. All right, so let's pulling back. I noticed Derive messed up on the budget setting. It suggested buying an on the money call on SPY when my budget was set was quick scalp to the upside. How much was it for today? If it was for today and if you were doing it for a day trade, one thing I notice is if I do it at a certain point and the price moves from when I initially started, the price will be off. Like it'll be more expensive and it'll be like, oh, you need more money. Let me see if I can like manufacture an example for you. So here, let's see. So say I wanted to get one on here. Let's go to the SPY. Oh, they got more. They added more stocks you can optimize on. Okay. Let's say I was looking for Here, I'll go 52. I'm going to have a higher risk tolerance. Let's say I'm looking for, let's go moderate. And then I'll do intraday. It's like, notice the SPY is moving while it's happening. Once I hit complete, I feel like if it's moving while it's happening, it's going to, we'll see. All right, so I use paper trade on SPY. It was moving a little odd for me, made 14K. Nvidia to upside, let's see. If they retest this, at this trend line, it might be go. All right, so SPY is back at the 13 EMA on the 5. VWAP is down here. We'll see how they hold up at VWAP. Okay, Nvidia came back to retest, kind of broke, like touched a little below. Still kind of running that analysis on Derive. All right, so it looks like we're getting a VWAP move right now. Yeah, Derive, it's taking a little bit longer. I bet a bunch of people probably started using it. So I bet their servers are, oh, there we go. Finally, got it. Let's see. Ooh, okay. That's a lot of extra money. Yeah, I'll have to like play with it a little bit, and then I guess talk to the founder. Can you explain the halts? Whenever a stock moves too fast, they pause trading on it for a little bit. Sometimes it's a few minutes. Usually if it happens once, it's a few minutes. If it happens again, it'll be another few minutes. And if it happens so many times for the day, they'll just stop trading on it for the day. But yeah, the price doesn't move, and you can't trade any options or anything on it until the halt is over. Also can't trade the stock until the halt is over. Just made 45 on the SPY put. Needed that. Hey, congrats, family. You move back to a 4-hour. I'm going to start slowing my trades down the way I trade here. I trade on this channel. So, because I've been losing like too much this week. Wait, okay. Philip said, yeah, suggest something out of your budget. Buy a lot for the day trades. I notice it has no problem keeping you. Interesting. I don't normally do the day trade, so I'll have to play around with that. I'll let the founder know if, like, I'll play with it first. Like, I might play with it once we get off stream, and then if I notice like the same problem, then I'll let him know. All right, so we made our VWAP move on the SPY and on Nvidia. So we're still in an uptrend though. I'm gonna move back to the 4-hour on Yeah, they tell different stories. Like, so someone asked about puts for next week. I mean, I would still like to. I mean, you would look for a continuation, but here, let's see. Yeah, looking for a continuation of the trend, you would expect. We still haven't closed the gap. So the way I like to trade, when I would really look for puts to swing, is like right now we're kind of, actually, yeah, so we're kind of, yeah, we're in a downtrend on the 4 hour. So yeah, looking at this, I would look for, like, if we once we pull back up to the 579, that's when I would look for a pullback to a lower low. Let me see the 1 hour. On the oh, that actually played out nicely. I haven't been trading like this as much, but yeah, looking at the there was a supply zone like right here. So this would be where you expected. Oh no, it didn't actually play into that exactly. There's a supply zone like right here, but it came just short of that. Let me check the 30-minute. 15. Oh, it's over here on the 15. Makes sense if we did it on the 15. Nah. Say I'm reaching a little bit. All right, I'm on an HEA halt and the price is so spread out. Let's see. HCA, what is HCA? HCA Healthcare. Are you talking about on the options? Oh, hold up. Siri thought I was talking to her. All right, so let's see. So, looking at HCA, it doesn't look like it has a crazy amount of trading volume. So because of that, usually the stocks that you have with lower trading volume, there's not going to be as many people buying and selling it. So because of that, you're going to have less liquidity and the price is going to be further apart. Ooh, Apple would have been a good trade. Thanks. It would be awesome if they kept everything in budget, no matter the strategy. I think it's a little weird for the day trades. I have to get going. Good luck with the 0-day TAs and hit that like, guys. Oh yeah, be sure to smash the like button. How we doing with them? Oh, not bad, not bad. Yeah, I'm gonna probably have to go at like Euro close today. Pound to earnings got me scared. I'm going to sell them after earnings. It seems like every stock has dropped. So I would say it depends on what you're looking for. It's like if you own the stock and you're scared to hold it, I mean that's one thing. It's like you can look at it as either an opportunity to average down or Or yeah, it's like if you're actually just trying to like ride the wave, then maybe. Cause I feel like there was I think I was targeting like there was a 30 something level I was looking at. It might have been like 38 or 36. I don't like on the weekly chart. There's a gap down to this 31 level. I don't know about the daily. Yeah, there's like a big gap over here. I would love to see that get filled at some point. It's like I'm waiting on that. Yeah, whenever we want to come back and fill that gap, I'm here for it. I hit the like twice, one for Skittles, and oh, okay. I was about to say, I was like, if you hit the like twice, that's like not hitting the like at all. But hey, cool. Appreciate it. All right, so it looks like ultimately the market makers are still doing what market makers do because we're still right in between this range. And actually, going back to Amazon, going back to Apple. Let me click that out. Yeah, they said their original price should be mid 30s. Yeah, I don't think Palantir will have the growth that it had this year, next year. I think it's like a good long-term hold, like if you're willing to hold it for some years, but I don't think you're going to see the kind of movement this upcoming year that you've seen this year. Let's check out Amazon real quick. You said actually I'll sell before earnings. Yeah, if you sell after earnings, it's like that kind of defeats the point. It's like you might get like a little pump in the earnings. One, I would say the next thing that you probably need to worry about is going to be the election. And when I say worry about the election, I wouldn't say like worry about the election. I just mean like that's going to be really the next thing that the stock market's eyes are on. Like for instance, like if Trump wins, there is a high likelihood that IWM and all the smaller companies, they are going to like run. Here, let's take a look real quick. Here, let's see. So Trump's presidency stopped like January of 2021, I believe. And here, let's see when it started. Like 2016. January of 2016. Where is it? All right, so right in here, just looking at the percentage gains from when he started. Where we at? So during his term, it went from increased by $137 and 146%. And then during Biden's term, currently down a little bit. And this is really just because, like, kind of some of the differences in their policies and whatnot. It's like more businesses are thrive a little bit. Going to buy DJT calls before the election just in case he wins, because I just know that it's going to move. All right, so the election is next week. So just know you're not going to be the only one thinking of buying them. So also consider the fact that there will be a run-up for the earnings. So if you consider, or not the run-up for the earnings, but there will be increased volatility going into that. So I don't know what price it'll be at, but if, say, it stays at the same price for now, it might be better to get them now than waiting till like just before the earnings. Just a thought, not financial advice or anything, because it's like the price could also come down a lot more and then, it's not better. But just know that the IV will definitely increase coming into it. All right, so I'm going to do, right now, I'm going to sit here and set some levels. See if I find anything that's looking like it's at really good levels. Get rid of this VWAP. What kind of candle was this? That's a black candle. No problem, family. All right, so if for some reason we get a pullback to this level on Amazon, I want in. What is this? Maybe move that up a little bit. Let's check the 1 hour. Oh yeah, still same level. Tesla, this is, ooh. Clear that out. Tesla calls are kind of expensive for the next week. There's a lot of volatility pricing in those. Got in on an Altria put. See how Altria is looking. So I'm trying to get back to looking at things from the lens of a 4 hour. Was there a specific indication for the put? Oh man, it looks like if you go back far enough, there might be could be forming like a double top, maybe. So yeah, I mean, it's a good level depending on how much time you got. Like this is an area of resistance. So yeah, I could see that. Hakeem, what's up, family? Hey, just over here trying to chart some things. Oh, also now that I'm looking at Tesla, let's wait. Yeah, now I'm looking at Tesla. I also see a down. Elon Musk discovers Tesla Cybertruck's biggest enthusiast. Oh, Shaquille O'Neal. Okay. So Shaq loves the Cybertruck. Okay. All right, so we got this trend line on Tesla on the 4. So a break of that could be some money next week. So Nvidia right now, right now is kind of on the lower time frame. This it's up. Let me check where it would. Wait, you said the largest return you've ever earned was 40K. Last earlier this week. I'm curious to know which stock it was and was it a call or short? So they were calls, and I'm not sure. It was either Google or Amazon. They were it's like they were two periods that I made like at least 20K on both of them. One of them was 40K. But what happened was they had a stock split, and I think there were like three stock splits in like a 3 or 4 week period. I know for sure it was Google, it was Amazon, and there was one of them I watched the first time, and then the second one I took, or the second two I took like 2,000. I bought like two individual $1,000 calls for maybe like a week or two's worth of time. I don't remember how much time I got, but I just kind of let them like ride out going into the stock split a week before. And then I want to say they like increased by 100, and like the stocks ran up like $120 before the split. So, with me getting two contracts for each, they kind of paid. It's like I sold out of one and I kind of let the other one ride. Actually, I didn't even let the contracts ride. I was like, oh, that's enough money. I was like, I'm gonna take that. All right, Hakeem, who got some swing ideas for the weekend, chat? Oh yeah, hold on, I missed some comments. Nehemiah done for today. Gonna enjoy the live stream till the end. Happy Friday, everyone. Hit the like button. Yeah, I'm done for the day too. I'm over here looking for opportunities. But appreciate you, Nehemiah, and hey, glad you were able to get to the money on the SPY today. All right, Roy, how's Nvidia trending? Oh yeah, look, yeah, going back to Nvidia real quick. It's like technically trending up. It's still like trying to pull back to VWAP, but it's trending up. Get rid of VWAP though. Yeah, it's like trending up, but it's there's trouble there's resistance at the 137 level, and then let's see where it would be most optimal for them to expire it today. Let's see. So it's a lot of volume at 137 on call. So here, let's see. So it's like pretty even. Well, actually, it would be cool for them to keep it below 137, but above 137. There's a huge wall at 140, so it's for sure not going over that. But yeah, it's like at 137 there is reason for them to hold it below. It's just not like I could see them pushing above it because it's not that big of a deal. But yeah, it's not like that big of a discrepancy between the calls and puts at that level. But if he gets up to 140, just know it's probably not moving any further than that. Let's see. Who got some swing ideas? Nothing necessarily. I'm getting back to my old way of just setting stuff up and just trading it as I set it up. And then we'll see. Sergeant Boss Hog, hey Matt, thanks for everything you do for the family. Hey, no problem, no problem. Alright, let's see. Thraxatic, what's good? Probably getting off in about 22 minutes. Call it a day. Go enjoy the weekend. Looking green today. Yeah, we're kind of in the range, but yeah, slightly green on the day. Up like 1%. Amazon's looking really good today. I'm interested to see what kind of week they'll have next week. I feel like overall it'll be bullish, but I would like to see a pullback on it. I'm going to go back to charting stuff. All right, so I already kind of have Meta charted a little bit. I would like to see a break of that. Google once again. What do you mean by priming your leap call? So we got kind of like a little fake out on NVIDIA on this 4-hour chart. I would love to see NVIDIA pull back to this 200 down here at like 128. No problem, Roy. You just take that and extend it out. So NVIDIA, we actually just got this cross to the downside, which just kind of confirmed this short-term downtrend. This is on the 4-hour chart, but yeah, that's something. Actually, kind of looking at it from here, a short on NVIDIA, not a trade, not like a day trade, but a short on NVIDIA with a little bit of time, kind of targeting this 128 or 129 level. I like that before a reversal to the upside. I don't know how fast it'll come there, but if it respects this trend line, it should be there by Wednesday next week. So that's kind of an idea right there. Let me see how much contracts are. Oh, you know what? That's a good one for Derive. Let me take a look at that. Or I'll just do it over here. Oh, it's printing. Okay, that's what's up. That's what's up. Okay, because I was like, yo, what is, like, how do you prime a leap? Yeah, I'm about to run the numbers for what I just talked about on NVIDIA. See what Derive has to say. Oh, and if y'all notice any other problems, kind of like Philip did with the with Derive AI for like kind of the day trading in the numbers, hey, let me know so I can tell the founder. I was looking for NVIDIA. Fubo failed its support. No, hold up. I hadn't even checked out Fubo. I have its. I have this. Oh no. Oh yeah. Let me. I should have put a stop on that. I might sell a. I might sell a call against it or something, so I can at least make some money on it. Let's see. You can get some time on it. How much for December? If I put some time on it. I mean, I can still make money if I sell some with some time on it. Wait, I want to sell it. I've never, I've never traded options on it. Are you still in? No, I closed the Clean Sparks play maybe like 2 or 3 days ago. No, I'm out of Clean Spark right now. But we can relook. I can relook to see what another entry would be. So I was looking at Bitcoin this morning, and like looking at Bitcoin, I think I was looking on the weekly. So we've kind of like formed a. Oh, that doesn't look as nice on the weekly. Let's look at the monthly. So maybe I was looking at the monthly, but I was looking and how we almost came and took out this high, and I just kind of looking the lowest. It's like if I see us around this 163, 164 level, that's when I'm initiating kind of my buys on the crypto, kind of the crypto miners and stuff like that. Cause it's like I think we can still like move up, but like while we're kind of like riding this trend, it looks like that's where I was looking to take my entry. So I have like a alert on this trend line, and like anytime we pull back to it, as long as we don't end up breaking this blue one, I'm going to kind of buy the dips. And just, I'm not even trying to ride them that long anymore because CleanSpark, Bitcoin was still moving up, but CleanSpark was moving down. But like right now, if we look at something like a Coinbase, my eyes would be more on Coinbase than it would a CleanSpark. Like Coinbase out of the money when Bitcoin is at this level. Like the same amount of money I would throw in a CleanSpark, maybe a little bit more. I would. These are my thoughts from earlier when I was like looking at the charts. Okay, I need to figure out how to sell. Hey Philip, working on that. Oh, cool. All right, so looks like the founder was actually here on stream, so I don't even have to contact him. But hey, it's good to know he's here listening. Oh yeah, if y'all have any thoughts about Derived AI, hey, fire them off in the chat. Just just so we have it there. That's how we see improvements. Hold up, I got an alert that Reddit is crossing some kind of level. Let's see. Why'd I put this here? Oh, this is that. I think this was this is kind of that level of support. So I'm interested to see what happens with Reddit from here. Let me try to throw a fib on this level. Yeah, so it's kind of a good level for this was a good level of support on Reddit. So I'm interested to see how it goes the rest of the day. Oh, on the 10-minute, Reddit's been kind of just falling in a straight line, actually. Dang, if this doesn't accelerate, I'm still not going to make money on that contract I had. But all right, so back to me checking things. I think I had checked NVIDIA. I still want to see the SPY fill this gap. The AMD put I had earlier this week, that would have been money. I definitely saw that. I wish I would have just held out on that. Road King Rider, good morning, good morning. Yeah, we still need to come for this 905 level on SoFi. Or I guess not on the, not if you go to the monthly. All right, Amazon's at that $200 level. Dang, I got a lot of DMs. All right, we got Euro close in about 5 minutes. I feel like they probably just went to enjoy their weekend. Up 18% on that LKLO. How's that doing? Oh, hold up. I just said okay. Yeah, it's moving up. Does anybody use Robinhood, and is the call you have to do for level 3 market hard? So when it says level 3, here, let's actually just pull them up, because I don't even know the difference between the levels off the top of my head. It says you have to call someone at Robinhood to make sure you know what you're doing to sell calls and put. Interesting. I mean, it hasn't done that for me, or it never did that for me in the past, but I knew what I was doing, even in the beginning when I didn't exactly know what I was doing. So I don't know. It's like if you started out and on that survey you said you knew or you didn't know, then that'll probably be a thing. But what was I gonna say? I'm looking at kind of the differences and limitations. So level 2, you buy calls and puts, and you can sell cash secured puts. I guess level 3 is whenever you have the spreads and stuff. I think so. Some notes it has here. It says before you commit to level 3 options trading account, you should keep these. Oh well, these are the limitations. So it's like you can't trade naked calls and naked puts. But they're much riskier anyway. I don't think I've ever really traded naked calls and naked puts. So if you switch to a cash account, you can only be level 2. All right, so we got the close on the European market. Not really much volume coming in here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna close it out for the week right here. We're kind of still like moving between a range right now. Resistance on the day appears to be about 575, maybe about 60 or 575.50. And yeah, that's gonna do it for today. They could decide to move it, but it's like I just see the volume is just dropping throughout the day. So yeah, I'm gonna call it a day, family. I hope each and every one of you have a blessed day, blessed weekend, and appreciate all y'all dropping through and seeing what's up on the stream. Skittles, thank you. You're a gift to all of us. Have a good day. Hey, you too, Skittles. Hopefully you link up with Jorman if you haven't already. And yeah. So yeah. Everybody have a good weekend. Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life.